So basically, I was searching for an Ariba course during, I think, in the month of January or February. Okay, and I've connected with a lot of institutes. But then I came across your institute, where I think one of your coordinator, I would say, had sent me one of the sessions of the video, which other institutes were also sending. But then I found that the session was very detailed. Okay, and that's the reason why I decided to take your Ariba course online, where I would be receiving the entire course description in the form of the live interactive sessions in the form of videos. There were almost like 45 hours of session which was shared with me, and the videos were very detailed out. The way the trainer had explained through the screens, and whichever the presentation methods he have used was very clear, I would say. And one of the best thing was, he had gone through each of the screens, how to navigate each of the screens in the Ariba, and then have explained the process as well as how it should be done in the screens of each of the Ariba system. Was very insightful, I would say.